Hey cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a cute 3D painting that is called Koi Pond. So we will be making this painting with foam clay, not a lot of foam clays. So firstly we need a mint green color. For if you don't have this, you can just mix it with the green color with the white one and it will make a mint green color. Total I used two clays, maybe because my cardboard was big enough. If you take a small cardboard, I just pasted a page on the cardboard because I could have made it on the canvas as well, but I thought that they will blend more good on the page. So I took it totally took four clays to make this background, two blues and two greens. Next we will be taking mixing dark green color with a peach color. Actually I had to mix it with the white, but I didn't have that, so I will be mixing with the peach color that is same. So this is the color we will be making the waves. Some waves we will be making waves with the colorful colors, some waves I have made with green. Next we will be making a lily pond. For that I will be using the same green color. We will be making a round shape by pressing it with your hand. Next we will be cutting it in the same pattern like I am doing, and you can just take out the extra part or you can just fold it like I did. Next I will be placing it on the painting. So I have not shared all the tutorials of all the ponds. I have in total added 5 to 6 lily ponds and flowers as well. We will be stay tuned and I will be teaching you how to make the flowers as well. This is how we will be making the pattern. If you don't have this tool, you can just use a needle for that, and this is done. Next we will add these plants into it to make it extra aesthetic. So for that I will be adding 6 to 7 plants in the same way. Okay, now the most tricky part is how you will make a fish. It was very easy. You just have to follow this process. We have to roll it with our hands, and the one side should be thick enough and the other side we have to roll a little thin. Next we will be cutting it into the two halves to make its tails like this, and we will be pressing it. It will be pointed, and later we will be making patterns on it once we'll attach it on the painting. So we have to keep pressing this clay firmly with your hand, and we have to tilt it a bit because we will attach two fishes and they will be moving in a round pattern, so it is supposed to be a little tilted. And here you can adjust everything according to your needs because the clay was getting sticky, so I just divided again, and after doing this it now looks like a fish. Next we will be adding some extra detailing to make it look 3D. So now I will be adding scales, fins and its tail, and tail is already added, so I will be adding the scale here, and then I will be adding the fins of the fishes. So after making the fishes, we will be making the flowers, and you just have to follow this pattern, and you will be this is the most easy pattern for a flower, so keep following this. So after adding all the details, all the waves, all the flowers, our painting would be finished. Like it's almost finished. If you don't want to, you can skip this part as well. I will be adding some golden touch on the painting as well. If you don't want to add this, you can skip it as well. Next, I applied clear gloss varnish, which accidentally I poured a lot of varnish, and I just took that back and I put it inside the bottle. And next, after applying the varnish, the painting is ready. So guys, if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up. Do tell me in the comment section from which country you are watching my video, and do subscribe my channel if you want to see more such crafts. And bye for today.